Welcome everybody to a tutorial where we're going to show you for Shopify how you can make a clearance page or an on sale page automatically using variants at the variant level. What I mean by that is typically on a clearance page, you're only going to have the parent topic and not the variants. So some people wish to show the variants on a page. For example, here we got, a size and a color. And then what we did is we truncated all the rest of the options into this button, which basically helps not fill up the page, because if you have 50 variants, you're going to see an entire page of only white shoes. You can apply this to a regular page. You don't have to apply this idea to a clearance or on sale page. So if you keep along with this tutorial, you'll see how to do it for both. So we're going to do this step by step. Step 1, we will create a new clearance page. In step 1 of 1 would be to go to your pages under online store and click add new page. After that, you can say on sale, or you can type in clearance as you wish. And then you're going to have to create a new customized template, which you can call sales or clearance. So after you click on your page, you're going to go ahead and press save. We've already done that, so we're going to not do that. And we're going to go to the one that we've already created. But for you, you're going to need to press on customize template after you're done with this page. And when you click on customize template, you should be presented with something with a header, a template, and a footer. So how we're going to do this is we're going to use custom liquid code. And we have two custom liquid codes. One is for CSS and one is for the actual code. Once you go ahead and save this page here as a clearance page, you can press save. You're going to go back to this page and now select your new template and press save and refresh the page. So at least we have the page. We haven't started building the page yet, but at least we have the page. So far, we've done the new clearance page. We've created a new template page. We call it clearance template, and we've linked the page to that. So that is all done through here. Once you do that, you can save it. You can go back to your pages or your template. Sorry, you can click on customize template, and now we're going to be inside the template, and we're going to work on step 3. Now, step 3 would be to edit the template and inject the custom code for our separated variants on the sales page. Perfect. So what we'll do is under template, you're going to click add new section, and you're going to click on custom liquid code, and you're going to add that over here. I'm going to delete it because I've already done it. And this is the custom code that we've created. If you would like this custom code, please head over to our website. I'll link it in the description below. And on the website, you can just quickly fill out a form and just say, hey, I'm looking for the code. And we'll go ahead and copy and paste this code for you. So in this code, what we're doing here is we're looking for a collection called InventoryHero. So we have to actually create that collection. I forgot that step here. So let's go. Step 4 is to edit and inject the custom code. Inject custom code. Email us for this code. We'll respond to you back in the next day. Give you the code for free, no problem. Now we have to create a custom collection and call it clearance page, I suppose. So then that means that you guys are going to have to change this here for clearance page. So let's go ahead and create a custom collection. click on products, click on collections. You click create new collection at the top right. You can call this clearance page. And then this is where you have to add conditions. So you're gonna want to, for us, we're using our own app called InventoryHero to automatically tag products that should be on sale. Because InventoryHero is an intelligent app that will mark things on sale when they don't sell fast or they're slow selling or they're just bad stock. We call it stale stock. So in our case, we're looking for ones that are managed by InventoryHero. So we add the InventoryHero tag. But for you, you can just maybe add a tag called sales tag or something like that. But it's very important that you do the next step by filtering out anything that has a comparison price, because this is what's going to filter out the variants that are not on sale. Because, for example, you might have out of a collection of shoes or shirts or pants, maybe some variants are on sale while other variants are not on sale. So you got to create this condition right here, and that's very important. So after you're done creating this collection, this is when you're going to edit the custom code that we created, and you're going to paste in the name of that collection right there. So that would be step 4, create a custom collection, label it, and then change the code. It sounds like a lot of steps, but guys, really it takes like 2 minutes. If you want to hire us to do it for you, we certainly can, or you can download our app. And if you're a user, one of our apps, send us a trouble ticket and we'll go ahead and help you out with this implementation. Let's see how it works. So again, we limit it to 3. And if you want us to change that setting for you, we can limit it to 2 or 4 or whatever. So the person clicks on 4 white, it automatically goes to 4 white. And then if they want to see more options, they can go to the parent page here where they can see all of their ones. But as you can see here, size 13 is not on sale. So that's important. So we don't want size 13 on the clearance page. And if you look here, it won't be on the clearance page. Now, once you start getting into items that don't have 3 variants of each item, down here, we created some custom code where if there's items that are just single items, for example, these toys right here are single items, that they're going to show up here. Oh, also here, you see how this one here is not on sale? So we can go ahead and fix that in the collection. So if we go to our collections, we're gonna not save the one that we already did. We're gonna find the one that we created, which you'll call clearance. And we're gonna add that filter for the compare price to not be empty. Let's go ahead and press save and then refresh our clearance page. And here we have it. We refresh the page and now that product is gone. The only products here that we see are the ones with sale. Another thing to keep in mind is stock levels. So you can go back to your collections and you can say, I only want to do stock that is greater than 0. So you don't have the sold out stock on your clearance page. If you wish, you can do that as well. It's another modifier. Now, step 5 will be to add the new clearance page to your nav bar, your navigation menu. And how we're going to do that is we're going to click on online store, then we're going to type in navigation. We're going to go to our main navigation. We already have the clearance page here, but let's pretend we're going to delete it. You're going to add a new item. You can call it on sale, or you can call it clearance. And we're just going to take the URL, paste the URL into here, click on there, and click add at the bottom. And don't forget to save your changes. And then now that's going to add your clearance to the navigation bar. So here we have it, guys. We've created a clearance page. We've created a template that the page is going to use. We've custom edited the code. We've called it clearance. We've created a collection where that clearance page is going to pull from, and then we added it to the navigation bar. Now I'm going to take this time just to introduce you to Inventory Hero and how Inventory Hero is able to find these items and to put it on sale. So we go into the Inventory Hero dashboard. We click on New Rule Set or New Campaign. We click on Discount Non-Moving Inventory. We can call it Shoes, for example, if you want to do a rule set or campaign only for shoes. And here we can click individual products, and one by one, click on individual products that maybe have a tag called shoes. Better yet, I actually want to show you guys how to do it with our products by criteria that uses conditional logics in order to find an item. We can say if tag is equivalent to shoes. It looks like we don't have one, maybe Adidas. There we go. And by doing that, we can see the 10 products that it's matched. And now we get something like this with the search of those tags. So those are the 10 ones that have picked it up by going here. And you can do some pretty interesting filters. For example, you can do is not equal to, so you can add a condition, which is really cool. So let's say, for example, you don't want the title to be whatever, Lego or something like that. So you can do this and that as well. So you can make the conditions be, they have to be this and that with strict conditions, or you can just do one of these conditions, so it would be this or this. So that's how that works. Once you added your products into the rule set, you then pick when should these products be discounted. This is a store-wide sale, so let's go back to non-moving inventory. The store-wide sale would just be like, I want to do all Nike clothes on sale for, let's say, Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Whereas for something like discount non-moving inventory, you can do all your products if you want, monitor all your products, and the minute that product hasn't made a sale in 60 days, we're going to call that a non-moving product, a weak product, or a stale product, and we can just discount it right away. So we're one of the only apps that does this. So this is a very unique feature, and this is amazing to automate the clearance and on sale pages that you have for your store. You can continue to have the discount run until all the products are sold out, or let's say, for example, you have 100 products, but you want to keep 5 in stock, or you want to keep 10 in stock. The discount will run at the variant level until the variant reaches that, which is really cool because some people, they just want to get rid of the overstock and they don't want to discount everything. So let's go to the next step. And you can either just apply a straight 10% discount and call it a day, or if you have Inventory Hero Premium Plus or Premium, you can add discount tiers, which means that if in 60 days there's no sales, then you get the 10%. But if 30 days passes by while it's in tier 1 and there's still no sales, that means that the discount's not aggressive enough, and you can incrementally increase that discount, making it a progressive discount, a progressive tier discount system. And let's say an additional 30 days goes by, or let's say, say 30 of being in tier 2 and no sales, then let's crank it up to 30%, so on and so forth. So that's where this app becomes very powerful. You can start it now and just don't put a stop date. Just keep this campaign running. For this one, we're going to call it Adidas. And this will just monitor Adidas and make sure that Adidas is selling fast enough. If it's not, it gets rid of it. And again, this is at the variant level. So if you have, for example, with Adidas, if size 3 and 4 and 5 are not selling fast enough, then Inventory Hero is only going to discount those variants, and it's going to leave the other variants untouched. So that's where this becomes powerful. So you're gonna have to wait for depending on how much products you have. If you have over 500 products, you're gonna have to wait a few minutes for us to send all those API requests to Shopify to change your price on your Shopify store. Now, if we're in our dashboard and we filter by Adidas, we can see that all of the products and variants are into tier 1. And we can even go into columns here and take a look at the variant name. I find the variant name helps out a lot to find out if it's what size or color the variant is. So now that we can see, for example, that some of them haven't made sales, some of them have never made a sale at all. So we'll treat that as if it's as old as the day that when the product was first created. But this is good to see the progression of the tiers. Everything starts in tier 1, which is a small discount at the beginning. And let's say, for example, size 5 and 6 don't make any sales. They'll progress as tier 2. But if people start buying 7, 9, and 10, it'll keep it in tier 1. So it's Inventory Hero is intelligent and will only progress the variants that are continuing to be stale, weak, or dead inventory to make them progress to the next level. But we also have a stock threshold as well. So anything below a 10 stock in this particular campaign rule set, we've decided not to increase the discount. So if it's below the stock threshold, we won't put it on discount at all. So if we take a look at the original price, 153, we're not going to be putting that on discount. So we hope that's well, this is a small guide into what Inventory Hero can do. So why don't you sign up for a free trial for 30 days and give it a shot. We do have a free plan that's a free forever plan as well. And if you have any questions at all, head over to inventoryhero.app. You can click on our chat within the app itself, and we'll be happy to help you.